Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into how to find valid BingX referral codes and the benefits of using them, specifically the BingX referral code CHUCHU. Let's unpack how this can enhance your trading experience. BingX is an innovative cryptocurrency exchange that is gaining popularity for its user-friendly interface and extensive range of trading options. Whether you are a novice or an experienced trader, using a referral code can provide you with exceptional benefits, such as trading bonuses or fee discounts. So, where can you find valid BingX referral codes like CHUCHU? Well, there are a few reliable sources. 1. Official BingX website. The first and foremost place to check for referral codes is the official BingX site. They often have promotional banners or sections dedicated to referral codes, providing you direct access to the latest offers. 2. Social media channels. Platforms like Twitter, Facebook, and Reddit are great places to find shared referral codes from other users. Many influencers and crypto enthusiasts provide their referral links, making it easier for you to join the BingX community. 3. Crypto forums and communities. Joining forums like Bitcoin Talk or crypto-focused Discord channels can lead you to valid referral codes. Members often share tips, tools, and referral links to help each other profit from trading. 4. YouTube and blogs. Many content creators focus on crypto trading and frequently share referral codes for platforms like BingX. Searching for BingX referral code on YouTube can yield reviews and guides highlighting the benefits of using specific codes like CHUCHU. Now, why should you consider using the BingX referral code CHUCHU? When you sign up using this code, you could unlock exclusive bonuses. These may include zero trading fees for a limited time, deposit bonuses, or even access to special trading events. Not only do you save money, but you also gain a head start in your trading journey. In conclusion, finding valid BingX referral codes is simple and can greatly enhance your trading experience. Remember to use the BingX referral code CHUCHU to maximize your benefits. Thank you for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video and found the information helpful, please like and subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insights and guides on cryptocurrency. Happy trading!